guys, today I'm going to be doing toy review number 2. Today I'm going to be doing this ones. I don't know if Emily did these ones kinds, the real bobble ones, but I think they're cool. They're bobbles. They're cute and they have these holes to put in. Let me go get one thing. Here's a box. Let's get a thing that could hold it. Oh, here's a cupcake that came with it. So here's one, and it has these little things on the back. So let's go put it on. Okay, I'm going to show you how I'm going to put it on. So let's get, where did I put it? Okay, here it is. Let's get her because she's cute. And there's her hole. I'm going to put it in. Come on, get in. Ah. Okay, there she is. It's very cute, I think, and it's cool they had the idea. So yeah, they don't have holes on their sides or anything right there, and I think that's cool. So you could put these on for normal pet shops, like these. This goes on there too. Okay, there she is with that thing, and so you can put the bow in there too. Let's get your hair. Okay, there she is. Oh my gosh. Yeah. So I think if you put like too many things, she'll fall. So it takes forever. And then let's go on to this pet shop. I think she's really cute without this one. She's cute with this body. They come off. Oh, their heads come off, so you can see. And I think that's cool. So in my videos I could do later on this creepy girl, Wild Africa, I think I'll do. This girl pranking one of her enemies. And yeah. So I think that's sort of cute too, but the other way is cute too. And then another thing I'm going to show you is these are really cute. You can attach more things on it. And they're so cute. So here's another thing hairdo. Here's one. You can do it like that. She's one of my favorites. I'll show you all of my favorites pretty much. Here's one. And then this one's my favorite. She's my favorite. And this one, she's weird. This one's cute. So here's all my favorites. Coming! My favorites. She is so cute! I'm going to show you a different thing. So tell me which one is your favorite. The other one I didn't show you yet is her. Cute. My other thing I'm going to show you are these, I can't swear at you, these weird things that come off. She's one of my favorites that my friends have. These pet shops are not mine. I wish they are. So yeah, she is one of the skinny legs, but I think they're sort of cute. I thought they were ugly, so these are the difference. And then a normal pet shop is right here, just a normal cute pet shop. So I think, tell me if you like these kinds, the one skinny legs, real bobbled, or normal little pet shop. I like these kinds. Oops. I like those kinds. They're cute and all that. They come with all kinds of skirts. How do you get this on? Okay. She is really cute. My mom's friend has this. And I'll show you in a normal pet shop. But it's really cute. It's like that. But in a normal pet shop, it's that. And then here in a bobbled head way. Like there. She's cute. So yeah, here's the difference. I like this one better. She's like all pink and cute. And then this one, I don't like this color, but I like the one that is sort of like this kind of color. So yeah, that's my toy review with all these. Number 2, tell me which one do you like? Do you like real bobbled, normal pet shop, or skinny? Here's my friends, their pet shops. There's statues, all their stuff, and then there's the toy stuff. Hope you liked it. Comment which one did you like. Rainbow. Hi. Tell me which one did you like. Did you like not bobbled, like Littlest Pet Shop, really bobbled, or skinny legs? So thanks for watching.